Thank you, Sarveshwar Rao garu. Now, we request to play the audio visual with respect to the P4 program, one of the flagship programs started by the government of Andhra.
From humble beginnings to global recognition, from Silicon Valley to Marina Bay, the journey of the Telugu diaspora is nothing short of remarkable. You have built successful lives around the world, and in doing so, brought great pride to the entire global Telugu community. But no matter how far you go, there is one place that always calls you back. Your roots, your people, your Janmabhoomi, Andhra Pradesh. Today, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Nara Chandrababu Naidu, Andhra Pradesh has set a bold goal to become the first Indian state to achieve zero poverty. P4 is a unique approach under this mission, which stands for Public, Private, People, Partnerships. A movement where government, businesses and citizens come together to transform lives, create opportunities and uplift families. At the heart of this initiative is the belief that no family should be left behind. Families receiving support are known as Bangaru Kutumbams. They are supported by Margadarshis, those who step forward to support them, not only financially, but also through mentorship and guidance. Our mission is clear: to empower every family seeking support and help them transform into a Bangaru Kutumbam. This is our path to Swarna Andhra 2047, a future where no family is left behind, where prosperity reaches every home, and where Andhra Pradesh becomes a model for the world. Andhra Pradesh is moving forward, but this journey becomes stronger, faster and more meaningful when the global Telugu community steps forward as a Margadarshi. Take your step as a Margadarshi. Give back to your Janmabhoomi. Be the change Andhra Pradesh needs. From your Karmabhoomi to your Janmabhoomi, be a Margadarshi. To join, call 1-800-425-1999 or visit www.zeropovertyp4.ap.gov.in.
And with that, I ask Piyush Kumar, Principal Secretary Finance to the Government of AP, in order to please make a presentation. So the stage is yours, please.
Honorable Chief Minister Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu, Honorable Ministers and dignitaries on the dais, and distinguished guests. It is my proud privilege to present before you a unique model public-private partnership. Under the visionary leadership of Chandrababu Naidu garu, our initiative of government to take on the center stage at the global level. Honorable Chief Minister believes that Andhra Pradesh should be leading this movement from the countryside. Therefore, he has taken an initiative of Swarna Andhra 2047, a vision where Andhra Pradesh should achieve $2.4 trillion economy and $55,000 per capita income. This is not only a vision, but also a mission with Padi Sutralu, 10 principles to achieve this vision. Under this initiative, zero poverty is one of the key aspects to develop Andhra Pradesh. Under the zero poverty, next please. Next, I will come back to this. Next slide. Under the zero poverty mission, The family is at the heart of the development program, where house sites, housing for all, sanitation, water supply, LPG connection, electricity, digital connectivity, one family, one entrepreneur, the concept is at the core of this development program. Under this initiative, go back to previous slide, previous one, yeah. Now, P4 is under this zero poverty initiative. P4 is the crucial part. P4 is public-private people partnership. If you'll recall, in the 90s, in India, with the innovation of the economic reforms, P3, public-private partnership was initiated. This PPP initiative was empowered by CM Garu in India under the sectors like aviation, where Shamshabad Airport, first airport was taken up, power and telecom sectors. The idea of P3 is that public and private come together for wealth creation. While wealth creation can be taken up under the PPP mode, the distribution of the wealth so created and to reach the last mile, a deeper approach has to be taken up. And that is the initiative which Honorable Chief Minister Sir has given us, which is called Public-Private People's Partnership. Under these partnership, there are three entities who come together. P4 will creates the pathway for willing people to support vulnerable people out of their poverty. P4 also is designed to act as the catalyst to achieve the zero poverty mission of 2029. Next slide. Next. Now, one of the key initiatives of the P4 initiative strategy is engaging with the high net worth individuals and diaspora who can contribute in bringing the bridging this economic divide. Under the program, top 10% people who are economically well off can handhold bottom 20% underprivileged population. The top 10 people Margdarshi and the deserving people Bangaru Kutumbam linkage platform is called the P4 initiative. Next slide. Why diaspora? The Telugu diaspora is a wide network, as was explained by earlier presentations also. The diaspora can bring in not only financial capacity but also emotional equity in the program. Diaspora Margdarshis can also bring in not only the resources but vision, mentorship and a global network of opportunities for the people who are left behind. They can be active stakeholders in the economic progress. While this as an appeal has been always there from the vibrant diaspora people, but they have lacked the apparatus to approach to help the people. Ela dani approach cheyalani chaala mandiki teliyaledu inta mundu. Dandi ippudu state government tarafu nundi mana oka platform create cheyabothunamu. Aa platform creation lone tech enabled platform, and there is a society which has been created at the state level with district level and constituency level and panchayat level network of people who can provide the database on the people who are aspiring to take up certain activities. So దీనిది ఒక నీడ్ సర్వే అసెస్మెంట్ చేస్తూ ఈ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లో ఈ డేటా అంతా కూడా కలెక్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అయితే ఇందులో ఇప్పటి వరకు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని మొదలు పెట్టడం జరిగింది. లాస్ట్ వీక్ గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు ఒక 250 ఫ్యామిలీస్ ని అడాప్ట్ చేశారు. సో #IM మార్గదర్శి అనేటువంటి ఒక మూవ్మెంట్ ని వారు మొదలు పెట్టడం జరిగింది. ఆ మూవ్మెంట్ కి మనం నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి నాన్ రెసిడెంట్ విలేజెస్ బట్ ఆల్సో విదేశాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి తెలుగు కమ్యూనిటీలో కూడా అప్రోచ్ చేయడానికి ఒక వినూత్నమైన ప్రోగ్రామ్ పెట్టడం జరుగుతుంది. అయితే ఇందులో మన ది స్ట్రాటజీ టు రీచ్ అవుట్ టు ది డయాస్పోరా ఇస్ వేరియస్ మీన్స్. డయాస్పోరా సొసైటీస్ యాజ్ గేట్వేస్, తెలుగు అసోసియేషన్స్, అలుమ్నై నెట్వర్క్, కల్చరల్ బాడీస్ ని టార్గెట్ చేస్తూ అదేవిధంగా ఈ డయాస్పోరా సమ్మేళన్ ఈ రోడ్ షోస్ తర్వాత ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ లో కూడా పెట్టి ప్రతి ఒక్క డయాస్పోరా దగ్గర కూడా ఒక బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ అంటే P4 అంబాసిడర్ ని గుర్తించడం జరుగుతుంది. దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ is being launched by Honorable Chief Minister today, and in the Singapore I am proud to announce that already about 15 diaspora ambassadors are being appointed today by the Honorable Chief Minister, who will in turn be taking it forward in the Singapore. ఇదే విధంగా ఇతర రాష్ట్రాల్లో దేశాల్లో కూడా ఈ యొక్క ముహింని తయారు చేయబోతున్నాము. నెక్స్ట్, నౌ హౌ కెన్ యూ హెల్ప్ ది పీపుల్? లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఇంత ముందు నుంచి కూడా మన ఊరికి మన గ్రామంకి వాపస్ వెళ్ళి ఏదో చేయాలని ఉంది, బట్ ఎలా హెల్ప్ చేయాలని దానికి నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్. అయితే in the design of the P4 program, there are three verticals, three models of helping. One is adopt a family. Adoption of a family is a deep long-term engagement where support not only is in terms of financial terms, but willingness to invest time, where advice to business planning, career guidance, access to professional networks, to the job seekers, aspirational class ki ila cheyalani వాళ్ళకి గైడ్ చేసినట్టు ఒక అడాప్ట్ ఫ్యామిలీ మార్గం ఉంటుంది. అయితే కొంతమందికి అది ఇష్టం ఉంటుంది, బట్ కొంతమందికి సాధ్యం కాకపోవచ్చు. కాబట్టి ది సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ ఫండ్ అ నీడ్. Under the Fund a Need program, a targeted financial contribution can be given. It can be for funding a specific need, like funding education expenses or medical expenses, or providing certain assets or training or programs to the person, to the beneficiary. Adevidanga, there is a third model, which is corporate model, where adopt a village or a mandal. Ante inlo the district admission will prepare projects where government funds will also be used, and as a contributor, you can contribute to various projects like drinking water, community infrastructure, or some training to some 100 families in a particular village. So community model kuda untundi. These three models are designed in the platform, and the government, the society and government will combine with the public resources together to take up the objective of this development. Next. అయితే ఈ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఆల్రెడీ క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. Already the web address has been given, zeropovertyp4@ap.gov.in. This is and there is a call center which has been established. Next slide. A dedicated team of 40 professionals who will be available round the clock 24/7. మీరు కాంటాక్ట్ చేసినా మీ కోరికకు లేకపోతే ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని కూడా అడ్రస్ చేయడానికి there will be a complete trained professional team will be there. There will be a network of NGOs which will be used to route this the help or assistance that is being given. Similarly, ఏమైనా grievances, ఏమైనా problems ఉంటే అది కూడా సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి ఈ కాల్ సెంటర్ లో పని అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్. The adoption, the objective is not only to adopt, but spend some quality time. Of course, from here, if you have to, if you can get online connect to the families that you are adopting, or you can do it through the government setup also. But there will be a regular tracking model. There will be a periodic impact reports, and also lasting relationship between the Margdarshi and the Bangar Kutum. Next slide. There is also a system of recognition and reward. There will be a regular follow-up. Every quarterly there will be an update that will be given to you. There will be photographs and what has happened to the intervention that you have taken up. Similarly, there will be donation under ATG certificates will be there. Corporate CSR eligibility will also be taken up, and through a network of NGOs and the society network, this program is sought to be implemented. Next slide. So from the P4 society side, there is appeal that the hashtag I am Margdarshi movement which Honorable Chief Minister has taken up, we request everyone to participate in this program. Thank you.